You ready?
Yes.
Alright. Aww.
You're too low.
Well, because I'm trying to... Put down the other knife. You can do it better
with
with
this one?
yeah.
Hold on, let me get the light on.
This one's already coming apart. Ow, ow. Alright, 1, 2. Yes!
4 pieces with 1 strike.
Let me throw the other big one. I don't even know. Alright. Yes.
I am the man.
Here, I need to cut on our wall.
Ah!
Okay, we're done.